Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying rational numbers and next is comparison of rational numbers. Let us try to compare the rational numbers. Comparison of positive rational numbers. Comparison of first topic is among this comparison of positive rational numbers. Positive rational numbers. So if we are given a fraction 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 7. We have already studied this in fraction chapter, how to compare the two fractions. So if we want to compare two positive rational numbers, means if we want to compare the fractions, we need to make the denominators same. If the denominators are same, then and then only we can compare the fractions. So to make the denominators same, if denominators are same, then the fraction with larger numerator is larger, and opposite is also true. If the denominators are same, then the fraction with smaller numerator is smaller. So for this, in order to make the denominator same, we multiply first fraction by 7. So if you multiply numerator and denominator both by 7, we will get 14, 7 to the 14 upon 21. So 2 upon 3 is equal to 14 upon 21, and 5 upon 7, if you multiply this by 3, we will get 5 3 the 15 upon 21. It means denominators are same. If denominators are same, then the fraction with bigger numerator is bigger. So 15 upon 14, 15 upon 21, sorry, 15 upon 21 is bigger. So 14 upon 21 is smaller than 15 upon 21. But 14 upon 21 is nothing but 2 upon 3, and 15 upon 21 is 5 upon 7. It means 2 upon 3 is smaller than 5 upon 7. So we can compare positive rational numbers by making the denominators same. Now next topic is comparison of positive and negative numbers. Positive and negative numbers. Negative rational numbers. We have already studied on number line that positive numbers are always written to the right side and negative numbers are always written to the left side of the zero. And we have also studied that as we go towards the left, we go to the smaller numbers, and as we go to the right side, the numbers becomes bigger and bigger, or they are larger. So right side numbers are larger and left side numbers are smaller. Now if there is a comparison between negative and positive rational numbers, that is, if you take negative 2 upon 3 and positive 5 upon 7, positive number will always be to the right hand side, hence positive number is always bigger. If there is a comparison between negative and positive rational number, then positive rational number is always bigger. Now, if there exists a comparison, third topic is comparison between two negative rational numbers. Comparison between two negative rational numbers. Two negative rational numbers. Two negative rational numbers. So if we are given the same fraction, negative 2 upon 3 and negative 5 upon 7. In this case, we have to compare without their signs. So we have to compare first, compare 2 upon 3, compare 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 7 by the method that we have already studied, that we know how to compare the positive fractions. So in order to compare positive fractions, we make the denominator same. So 2 upon 3 will be equal to 14 upon 21. So 2 upon 3 is equal to 14 upon 21, and 5 upon 7 is equal to 15 upon 21. Since 15 upon 21 is bigger than 14 upon 21, or 14 upon 21 is smaller than 15 upon 21, we say 2 upon 3 is smaller than 5 upon 7. Now, if we want to compare the same fractions, negative fractions, then this inequality sign reverses. Please note, if whenever there is a comparison between negative numbers, that is, if you take negative 2 upon 3, negative 2 upon 3 Then we have to reverse the inequality sign. Here 2 upon 3 is smaller than 5 upon 7. So negative 2 upon 3 will become bigger than 5 negative 5 upon 7. Please note, whenever we are comparing negative rational numbers, this inequality sign reverses. Thus, to compare two negative rational numbers, we compare them ignoring their negative signs first and then reverse the order. Means, let us see if there is a comparison between negative 7 upon 5 and negative 5 upon 3. Then first we have to ignore their signs. That is, we have to compare 7 upon 5, 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 3. Now we know how to do the comparison of positive rational numbers, or we have studied this in comparison of fractions. So in order to compare the fractions, denominators must be same. So multiply 7 upon 5 by the other side denominator. So 7 upon 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21 upon 15. So 7 upon 5 is equal to 21 upon 15, and 5 upon 3 is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 and 3 multiplied by 7. So, sorry, 5. Multiply by other fraction by this side denominator. So, we will get 25 upon 15. 25 upon 15. So, thus, since 25 upon 15 is, or 21 upon 15 is smaller than 25 upon 15, 21 upon 15 is nothing but 7 upon 5 is smaller than 5 upon 3. That is, 25 upon 15 is equal to 5 upon 3. It means 7 upon 5 is smaller than 5 upon 3. Now if you want to compare the negative, then this inequality sign reverses. It means negative 7 upon 5 is greater than negative 5 upon 3. If there exists another fraction, something like this, 7 upon 5 upon 7, negative 7 upon negative 5 and negative 5 upon negative 3. So if the fractions are not written in standard form, we have to first convert them in standard form and then compare those rational numbers. So such rational numbers can also be compared, but before comparison we need to convert them in standard form. We have already studied standard form means denominator must always be positive and numerator and denominator must have only one as a common factors. So this can be written in standard form as 7 upon 5 and this can be written as 5 upon 3. Now we have already studied 7 upon 5 is smaller than 5 upon 3. So negative 7 upon negative 5 is smaller than negative 5 upon negative 3. Next question is example number 3. Do 4 upon negative 9 and negative 16 upon 36 represent the same rational number. So we are asked to compare 4 upon negative 9 and negative 16 upon 36. Now we know how to do the comparison. Please note here 4 upon 9 is not written in standard form. 4 upon 9, 4 upon negative 9. Here denominator is negative, it means it is not written in standard form. Now both are having only one as a common factor, so we have to divide by -1. So we will get this as negative 4 upon 9. Now the denominator is a positive integer and numerator and denominator both are having only one as a common factor. It means this is the standard form of 4 upon negative 9. We can do the comparison of this number. 4 upon negative 9. Let us see next fraction is negative 16 upon 36. Here both are divisible. They are having other common factors or highest common factor is not 1. So we have to divide this. We have to write the second fraction in standard form. Please note 16 and 36 both are divisible by 1, 2. Then it is divisible by 4. Then not divisible by 5, not 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Not possible. So it means 4 is the highest common factor. So divide this negative 16 by 4 and 36 by 4. You will get 16 divided by 4 is 4 and 36 divided by 4 is 9. So we have got negative 4 upon 9. Please note 4 upon negative 9. Standard form of 4 upon negative 9 is negative 4 upon 9, and standard form of 16 upon 36 is also negative 4 upon 9. It means 4 upon negative 9 and negative 16 upon 36 represents same rational numbers. The reason is both have same standard form of rational number. So in standard form both are same. So it does mean that 4 upon negative 9 and negative 16 upon 36 represents same rational number. Same rational number, and these can be understood after writing them in standard form.